Put on my slime. My slime is on my fingers. I got an idea.
What?
You should prank your sister and not let you guys twist it.
Who?
Y'all, we gon' prank.
Who said we gonna prank?
No, like we should because it could be like a good prank.
About what?
Like we could act like we got into an argument. Like we could act like that I was like doing something or that I did something and you didn't
that
like
you didn't want to clean up after yourself.
Yeah.
Cause is you a person that will clean up after yourself?
No.
Destiny.
I'll just leave it there. But that's when I be like real sleepy or like that's when my like stomach hurts something.
No, but you is gonna clean up after yourself.
Watch me, cause I'm not. What you mean? See, I'm stupid. Like I'm finna clean up after myself. That's what we finna do, y'all. So y'all stay tuned. She finna do that. I hope your mama don't get involved.
I'm just gonna mess up my floor and don't even clean it up.
I am gonna clean it up, child.
You just said you ain't.
Girl, that's what we gonna do for the prank. My something's not even that sticky for real.
Well, look at it all over your hairs.
Girl, that something that you gave me that day in school was very, very sticky. And don't even try to say it wasn't because
You feel my song? It's not sticky at all.
where your dog at?
I said I gave it away. Remember?
What? Why?
Cause I was thinking about it. Nobody got time for that. My song.
So I'm finna put some more contact solution in here. I don't want to put a lot because I want my slime to be hard
Y'all look at my slime.
like hers.
My slime is not
My slime is
hard.
gonna be hard, y'all.
No, it's not.
Comment down below if we should do slime pet peeves. Y'all, I'm finna at least post 3 videos while I'm over here. I'm gonna be over here till 10 o'clock.
It's 7 o'clock.
What time your mama leaving?
Mm-hmm.
Exactly.
Well, my mom said you was leaving at 7.
Oh.
But I don't know. That's just.
My mom said she was gonna pick me up at like 8 or 9.
Can I just come with you when you leave?
No.
Why?
Because.
Yeah, my slime is very.
Oh, they can't even see me.
My slime is very sticky.
Oh, Lord. Y'all, we having some.
Look at you. Look at you.
We having some technical difficulties. Oh, Jesus.
Oh, I love my slime. It's sticky.
When I say this child is the most dramatic person on earth.
You talking about you don't want no slime
Scoot
in your
over.
hair?
Scoot over.
No, because I was here.
Scoot over. Scoot over.
Oh my god.
So you can see both
this
of
thing,
us.
like, you're finna. I'm gonna mix my slime.
No! Mix a piece of it. Mix a piece.
Oh, I'm probably just finna give that one to Anaya.
I want it. You know I wanted it. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make it less sticky.
No, this one is very sticky.
I'm finna fix it. Hold up. Stop. Don't mix all of it.
I'm
mix
not.
a piece.
I'm probably gonna give this to Anaya.
No, don't give it to Anaya. I want it.
You have slime that you just made around my house.
I want it. You can make Anaya that slime with that other bottle of glue. Both Anaya and Treasure, they both could get slime with that bottle of glue because you could use half of it. So.
After I'm not gonna mix it, I'm gonna give this one to Anaya.
No, I want
Destiny,
it.
you just made slime.
It don't matter. I just want it. So you're not gonna get your own best friend slime.
How about your own best friend just let you make slime at her house with her materials without even paying?
I don't have to pay him for one. I'm paying my time. I'm over here. I got other place. I got things to do. I still gotta get some more shoes. No, I don't. I'm just playing. Shut
I
up.
do.
But my mama said she was going to the Vans store because she was gonna get me them purple and white Vans. Oh, I put some more dish soap in it. I hope I didn't mess it up.
Y'all still doing YouTube channel? Yeah.
Yeah.
I have this one. My other one,
Hey, I could have made my perfect bubble, but she was in the way. Y'all, we ain't finna be arguing on this camera.
We ain't gonna be arguing over no slime.
Exactly, period. We don't let petty stuff get in the way of our best friend relationship. Period.
Girl, yes we do.
We finna switch slime.
Yes, we do.
I'm finna see how your slime feel.
Your slime is your slime. Oh, Destiny, Give me it.
2 seconds.
I was just gonna call him Naya too.
2 seconds.
Why?
For the dub. We're not even gonna turn it on. Who cares if it's powered off on?
Why do you need it? What song are y'all trying to do?
I already told you.
Use the remote.
Which one y'all trying to do?
What you hit me in my nose for?
Oh.
Man, come here, look, girl.
In 2 seconds, y'all only.
Now you gonna have the phone the whole time.
Yours is stickier than mine. The reason why my slime feel like that is because I put a little bit more
This one yours, right?
of dish soap in it.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's yours.
Huh?
I love your slime.
See? Everybody loves something that involves me. When you have me in it, then you love me. Exactly. You're obsessed with me, honey
I'm
boo
gonna
boo.
give this to mine, but definitely.
No, I want it. I'm finna do something to it. Hold up. Here, get your
If I
slime.
get it unsticky,
This my
then-
slime.
How about my slime is so sticky?
You want this?
Yeah.
You want to switch?
How about I get both of these and you can have this one?
Huh?
How about? Oh, this one, get it. Desi, I said, how about you? I'll let you have this one and you let me have yours.
Yup.
All right, give me it.
Bet.
Dang. Oh.
Wait, I want to mix it.
Destiny's. Give me it. Drop it.
Okay, hold up. Let's get this off my hand. It's not even that sticky for real.
Give me it. Y'all, my slime is lit.
Y'all, she just gave me this. What the freak? Derek, I'm about to pop you.
No take backs. I mean, no give backs, actually.
I just put a little bit more contact solution in.
I love my slime. You want me to go to my mom?
Yeah.
And then look at the color. It's very pretty.
Because I put that dish soap in it. This is like a Cinderella blue color. Like, I kind of like this, but I
I'm
don't
not gonna
like
pay
it.
them. I'm not gonna make them no slime. I'm not young.
Exactly. Like,
Ask Destiny to make y'all slime.
yeah, exactly. Because Destiny was at school asking people who wanted to make this slime. Like, what's so important about Daria that you like?
Exactly, because I had brought slime to school.
Exactly.
And all she gonna do is get in trouble with it, because all she gonna try to do is get it out. And stuff. If she don't even got no little book bag, so where am I gonna put it? Exactly. I'm not even in her class, so.
Exactly. Like, and Miss Saunders be like, oh, I'm putting that slime up. She gonna take the slime when you try to give
Exactly,
it to her.
throw it away.
Exactly.
So,
Like,
no,
we
I'm
ain't
not
finna
gonna
do
make
that.
her. I'm not
Like,
gonna make her. Let me
period.
Oh, yeah. I
Period.
can go forget my sister.
So-
I'm ready for my sister to get home.
This stuff is still sticky. But I'm finna put a whole bunch of contact solution in there.
Whenever she come to my house, if she can't, if she
This stuff is really sticky.
that's
For
when
real,
I
for
make
real.
her slime.
Like,
Y'all, my slime feels fluffy. Alright, come on, let me show my mom.
hold up. I'm finna mix the rest of this. Because I
Okay,
put
I'm
more
finna-
contact solution in. Oh, it's watery.
Let me see.
Okay, wait, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Do you think you can handle that?
Yup.
Alright, this is my container. I keep this container.
No. Where am I gonna put my son? Where am I gonna put this in?
Get you a container. I got all those containers. Yes, I'm sick.
No, because I need that to put this slime in.
I have more than one container. Don't forget that.
So you gonna let me
All
take
right,
2
Mommy.
containers in?
Look at my slime.
What y'all doing with my soap?
We had to use that, but we didn't use. We didn't,
We didn't use-
that. We only used the glue.
We only use the glue, that,
we
and
didn't
that.
use this. We didn't use this. Because we thought we would use what we did. Mom, you already know how to make our slime. Alright, put everything up. We don't need. But, hold on. Let me show you.
So if you guys like this video, make sure you like,
Because we got to clean up.
and subscribe.
I was trying to show you it.
I gave her mine to mix them.
We got some plants, so we want to go to Velocity.
Catering.
So yeah, that's the end of our video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe.
Oh my god.